I played Minecraft Bedwars, but every 3 deaths, I changed the sound of my keyboard, either making it sound amazing or absolutely trash. Yeah, but anyway, let's get into it. Alright, first round, here we go. And pro switches. Here's the first one. Alright, where you got, what do you, okay, so you guys got a bed? Okay. I'm coming. Wait, defend?
Yeah, what goes?
I got it.
Drinking.
Oh, I'm dead. Yo, wait, is green trying to get stacked? Wait, red ink? Oh my god, they're all coming. Alright, hold on, I got you. I'm gonna wait for him. Bonk. Wait, is green in mid? No, I see a green. Hi, bud.
No, nobody's in mid, I think red is gonna come again. Pause.
I got green. I got 1 diamond from them. I stole them. Red ink where? Oh, I see him. Oh,
red.
Alright, yeah, just go back. Go back. Retreat!
Sneak up, no. The lurker.
Oh, they have endstone. We gotta eliminate green. We have to eliminate green, bro. I'm not trying to die and switch my switch again, bro. I'm gonna try to murder them somehow.
I don't have anything. Why murder them, bro? You're still gonna die. I don't have tools.
No, I won't. You can't kill me? Oh, yes, he did. He killed me. Wow. You got green's bed? Did you get green's bed?
Yeah.
You got it? Nice.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm on my way. Come here, bud. Yeah, he's just chilling in there with a bow. Yo, let's all gang up on him. Everybody come to green. He's coming out. He's out. He's out. Get him. He's going back in. Ain't no way.
Also,
What's up? Oh, wait. Oh, you're right. Next is foam thock. Oh my god, this one's weird. You should go for red. Yeah, you're pretty strong. That's crazy. Oh, I survived. El Bozo. I'm sneaking around. Oh, he fireballed me. They can't kill me somehow. Oh, they killed me. Wow, they killed me. Yo, ink. W. He somehow survived that. Oh, he's making it. He has a bridge.
He's dead.
Oh, he's dead? Nice.
Pot up him and just sneak up to red. Yeah.
Damn, oh, I died. Wow. Was that my second or third death for this round? I don't remember. Now we're on the Pinocchio switches. Yippee. They got me. Wow. This game is going forever. Yeah. All 3 of us should go. They're chill. Bro, look at their bed. There's no way we're getting bed, bro. Look how much endstone they have on their dog. Oh, W. He got the bed. All right, everybody go. Rush him. Rush mania. I got him. Oh, no. All right, let's go back to it. Let's see it. Where? Jim? Oh, he's over there. He's over our bridge. Yeah, I see him. Return. Avoid it. Oh, let's go. We won. W.
It doesn't look like we got very.
Alrighty. The next type of switches for round 2 are strawberry kiwi switches. All right, boys. Bridge. I'm kidding. Sarcastically died. Hold up, these 2 blues finna get it, bro. I see them. My 2 enemies, bro. They murdered me.
Also, this one, can you stay at bed?
Oh, wait, I can steal their bed. Wait, their bed is gone? Okay, I'm gonna kill them.
Yeah.
Their bed is gone. I'm here too. Oh, crap, I died. Next up are the C3 tangerines. Oh my god. We gotta get them. Oh, I have a bunch of them. Oh, yellow. Kill him. Oh. Oh, nice. Hey, go. I'm going there. Why do I? We're now using the KTT white switches. Oh my god, bro. Are you serious? I want to switch again. I do not want to switch again, bro. If I die from that, I would have cried. Wait, I'm sneaky. Oh, hold on. I'll just destroy it manually, bro. I got it.
They're not even here, dog. There they are. Nice. I'll keep going.
Protect me. Oh. Oh damn! I had the wood gone. I had one of the pieces gone. I'll grab TNT. I'll grab
Green
TNT.
team.
I got 2 down.
Jesus, guys.
I got some down. So let me see what kind of.
They're all here. I'm dead. Wow. Damn.
Oh yeah.
All right, come on, come on. You guys gotta win this. Yo, he's right there. He's right there. Kill him. Kill him. Oh, Oh, you missed. Oh.
Behind.
Oh, that was close.
You should just craft a new bed, bro.
You got this, bro. Just pray one of them falls off.
Bro, just craft a new bed. How hard is it?
Wait, hold up. Sarcastic, you know what a goated way to win this would be? Both of them, you block trap them somehow. Both block trapped.
You know what?
Yellow
One
ink,
yellow wing.
you got it.
2 yellow wing.
Win
2 yellow
this.
wing. 2
Ooh.
yellow wing.
Oh, run. No! Oh, damn, GG's.